Alright. The kids are so busy making their cards. Let's see what they have here. Here. They're having some letters. Huwag kayong mag-aaksaya, ha? Huwag mag-aaksaya. Huwag kayong magkokopyahan, ha? Kailangan iba-iba ang design. Pag kinuha, kailangan ibalik. Checkin ko kung binalik niyo yung mga kinukuha niyo doon. Walang mag-aaksaya. Titignan ko yung pinakamaraming inaksaya dyan.